Today I'm going to show you how to repurpose cylinders for the different holidays, and of course we're going to start out with Halloween. So for my supplies, I've got creepy cloth. You can buy these pretty much every year at Dollar Tree or 99-cent store. I have spider webbing, again 99-cent store or Dollar Tree. I have these two little ball decorations. If you guys watch the supply video, these came in the bag from Goodwill for $1.99, and I have these two in a larger one. 99-cent store or Dollar Tree spiders. This one was 99-cent store, and it actually came 2 to a pack. Our handy dandy little bundle of spiders. Same 69-cent little bag that I keep reusing. Normally $2.99 at Spirit. I have some tape. And I actually found these little lights, and I'm going to incorporate those as well. These little light sets, it has, I believe it's 10. They're at 99-cent store, and they actually, you just put in 2 batteries, and they're purple. They had orange as well. And then these sticks and the cylinder are from the supply video as well. Bought from the grocery with all of the different twigs and branches for Christmas. And then I have galvanized wire from 99-cent store and snips from 99-cent store. So for Halloween, I'm going to set up a spider scene, because you guys know a lot of my things are witches and spiders. And I like to share them with you guys as well because they're pretty universal. They can go with creepy decorations or more kitty decorations. You can put all kinds of different things in the cylinders too. If you like the bloody, gory stuff, you can stack heads in here, would be really cool, or maybe different like skulls with different colors, and maybe even do black lights and things. There's a lot of stuff you can do with these cylinders, and like I say, you can reuse them throughout the year too. So I'm going to take the creepy cloth, and I want a background. I don't want the cylinder to be completely clear. Put this over here so you guys can see a little better. I'm going to take the creepy cloth and put it inside the cylinder. I'm going to drape it down in the back. And this is the only reason you'll need the packaging tape, is just to secure it to the back so it doesn't fall forward as we add items. Alright, so now that we have our creepy cloth in, I'm just going to kind of spread that around the edges there. And I'm going to take some of the branches and like these. And I'm going to place the branches inside. These branches came painted silver, so you can just pick branches out of your yard. You can spray paint them or just leave them natural. It is spiders after all. I think that's good. And then for the wicker balls, I'm actually going to make those like spider egg sacs. That's why I've got the webbing out. So I'm just going to pull a chunk of the web off. Once you have all of the spider webbing wrapped around the ball, you can also use some more of that packaging tape to help you keep the shape. So just to kind of keep this together and round it out. And then you're going to take the little cheapy baby spiders and just kind of place those randomly on the egg sac here, kind of like they're climbing around. And then you can place that wherever you want in your cylinder. Once you place your first ball in, then you can start filling in with your larger spiders as well. What I'm going to do is put the larger spider in the center and then do another egg sac up here. You can also add the lights into the different tree branches or to the creepy cloth if you want a better effect for nighttime. I added in the light set that was from 99-cent store. It actually has some wire built into it, so it's pretty easy to work with. You won't have to get additional wiring. That's what I actually brought the galvanized wire out for. And you just twist it around the branch, What's also nice is I wasn't thinking about it when I did the creepy cloth, but it also helps to conceal your little battery pack back here. So now I'm going to place my bigger spider, and then I'll make another egg sac that's going to sit on top here. I have the final spider egg sac in place and the large spider over here. So what I did to place him is I spread out some spider webbing onto a stick and just niched him in. You can also use the creepy cloth to just kind of tuck his legs behind some of the different little weaves. And that's with the light off. This is with the light on. And at the end, I will show you guys some still pictures as always so you can see how this project turned out up close. And I will see you guys on the next one.